Hey, how's it going today, folks? This is DJ with the Rabbit Squirrel Garage, and we got a new headlight for the Yamaha Virago 250, or the xv250, whatever you want to call it. And this is an LED headlamp, and this is the housing that goes with it. So I had to put these two pieces together, and it's held together with these three clips. And I'm going to show you how to do that right after the introduction. But yeah, if you want to see this headlight install, stay tuned. Alright, I wanted to show you all how this headlight goes together into the bucket because it's not quite clear in the instructions. So if you notice, these clips come with it, right? And I've got them with the bar in the middle is up, and then they clip underneath this little ledge here. See? All three of them. And this is be the bottom of the headlight here. So you just want to make sure that you get the clips. You want it to look like that, just like that. And what I ended up having to do on the top one was easy because it hits this bracket on the bottom. So the top one went in nice and easy. So I put it in first. Then I took this pin and stuck it on this side like that, and then put that one in. And then once it got in, I put this one in and then pulled the pin out. Because if you try to put this one in without bracing the light somehow, it just shoves it over and you can never get this one put in. So you need to have something to use as a spacer there. I just happened to have this sitting right next to me, so I used it. And it worked fine. So yeah, that's how you put those little clips in. Okay. Okay, so when it gets to the mounting spot, the original one mounted here, and these two little clips, and then it bolted up to the back of this. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is using these brackets and go around the forks to mount them on. Yes, we want to somehow mount it like that. And that should give us a good spot for the headlight. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, we want this bracket on this way. Just getting them snug right now until I can get the light on there and see where it actually needs to be. Alright. There. Now, let's get the headlight bucket put on and see how it looks. And, it looks like it right there. Come down just a little more. I think that's holding on both the speedometer also, which is fine because we'll just put the speedometer right back on. But I'm looking to get rid of this mount right here. There we go. Yeah, it pulled the speedometer off also. See? So, but that's fine. We'll just put it right back on. You know, it's not a big deal. There we go. Yeah, this is the bracket I took off. The back of the stock headlight mounts up into this, so we didn't need it there at all. So get it out of the way, and it was blocking our headlight anyway. So there we go. It's a little bit wider than I thought it was going to be, but it's not causing it's not going to cause an issue. I mean, it'll just cinch right up. So see. Now we can tighten these down. one. Alright, there's the bucket. Alright, now we still haven't buttoned up our turn signals yet. And one of the reasons I didn't was because all these wires are going to somehow go up inside this headlight bucket, okay? But in the headlight itself, it has a daytime running light. So I'm going to hook it into one of these. So that's why we didn't go ahead and just connect everything and get it going. So let's bring the headlight over here. And you'll see these two little ones at the bottom are daytime running lights. So I'm going to hook those in. That's what this red wire is. So let's get it going. Well, let's test it first. What do you say? Test the headlight itself first. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in and just turn the headlight on so we can see if it's actually going to work or not. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. Turn the bike on, and yeah, there you go. High beam. Yep, we have lights. It'd be just like that. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and get this other one wired up. This one is the daytime running lights, which are these two little ones down here. So I'm going to go ahead and get them going. Alright, so I'm just going to tape these up. These are the turn signals. I'm just going to tape them up for now. Because when I run the rest of the wires down, it's going to involve all of this. So I don't want to have to resolder everything twice. So I'm just going to tape them up for now and shove them up in there. I need to splice the headlight into the other one. What am I going to do with that? Let's put a lead on it. That way I can remove the headlight as needed. Okay, so this is our running lights here. So let's go ahead and get them put on. I got the big pliers here, I forgot. There we go. Alright. Now, let's see if we can't get this all shoved back up inside the... Oh no, I gotta take these off still, hang on. Okay. So now all we gotta do is connect these two, and then we can hide all the rest of this. So, let's see. Hopefully it'll all fit inside here. Alright, yeah, I think we're gonna be okay. I think we got plenty of room in there. So let's, where'd the running light one go? Oh, it's up here, okay. Yeah, I think we'll be alright. Let's go ahead and put this headlight on. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I'll need to adjust it up and down obviously, but you can see the daytime running lights at the bottom. We hit the bright lights, it works. And there we are. What do you think, folks? Kind of get a look from the side. No, you can't really see it that well because they're so darn bright. But yeah, it looks really good, I think. So, all right, that's it. We got brights, turn signal still. Oh, horn still works. Turn signals still work. Yes. Yes. Okay, everything still works. Alright, that's it. We got a new headlight on. I like it. I think it looks good. Especially once I start getting some other parts painted and get everything going. I'm probably going to end up painting the speedometer black also. We'll have to see. But that way it's just all black right through here. But yeah, that's it. Simple install and it's ready to go. I need to tighten it down, of course, but I need to get it, you know, outside and let it point it at the garage so I can get it leveled correctly. But other than that, it's ready. That's it. So, what do y'all think? You like it? Alright, we got the headlight on, and that's what it looks like from the side. You've seen what it looks like from the front with the light on, but here's what it looks like with the light off from the front. You can see I've got all the wires cleaned up now except for the main one there, which I'm gonna, when I go to rewire everything, I'm gonna run it up and behind the fork and take that bracket off. This bracket here is for the headlights. The problem is it also holds on the turn signals. So I'm gonna take it off completely and put new brackets down here for the turn signals. Just make it cleaned up a little more. It'll look cleaner, in my opinion. So, yeah, but there's a new headlight. I like it. These don't really match up too well to the forks. I just need to tighten them up some more, but I don't know. I just kind of don't like that sticking out there, so I may end up cutting that off at some point. It just sticks out too far. I don't like it. But I think it looks good other than that. I think it's coming along nicely. So, and then when you factor in the air cleaner in with it all, man, it's just all gonna like, just all looks good to me. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it there. Thanks everyone. Okay folks, well that's it for the headlight install. I think it looks really good, and the front end of this bike is coming along really well. I'm gonna have to remove the turn signals because of I just don't like that bracket. So I'm gonna move it, put new brackets on. I'll get some chrome ones for it. And maybe even move the headlight down just a little bit more too, so it's not right up against the speedometer. But you know, that's all things that'll get worked out once we get the wires ran down through the handlebars, which is going to happen soon. I'm almost to that point now, so I just got to rewire the back end of it up after I have to fix the fender first, rear fender, then wire the back end up, and then I'm ready to start running the wires through the handlebars. So that's going to be a fun one. It's going to take a while. There's a lot of wires to splice and cut and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll definitely put that one on video for you. Alright, well thanks for watching, and giving me a thumbs up if you liked it, and you know, subscribe. I need all the subscriptions I can get. So if you subscribe, you'll get an update of every time I update one of these or make a change to one of these 5 bikes that are still in my garage. So not to mention other things. I just bought a Toyota FJ Cruiser, so I might be doing some videos on it soon too. Anyway, alright, I'll go ahead and close it there. Make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate it, folks. Have a good one.